In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste in place in Figma. Let's start right at the source. Open the Figma website in your browser or launch the desktop app if that's what you prefer. Once you're in, head to the specific file and the page where you want to work. Pages sit in the left sidebar and help you organize different flows or screens within the same file, so make sure you're on the correct one before you move on. With your page open, click to select the element you want to copy. This can be anything: a button, an icon, a text layer, or even a group. If you're having trouble picking it on the canvas, you can also select it from the Layers panel to ensure you've got the exact layer you need. A quick visual cue that you've selected the right thing is that its bounding box and layer highlight will appear. Now copy it. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, it's Command+C. This copies the object along with its properties, including effects, constraints, and styles, so you don't have to remake anything later. Next, go to your other frame where you want the object to appear. Frames in Figma act like artboards, so think of this as moving from one screen to another. You can click the frame directly on the canvas or select it from the Layers panel. It's a good habit to make sure the destination frame is selected before you paste, because that helps Figma place the element inside that frame rather than floating on the main canvas. Paste the element with Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Figma will drop the copied object into your selected frame. If your frames share similar dimensions and layout, you'll often find the pasted element lands in a consistent position, making it feel like a paste in place. If it appears slightly off, use the arrow keys to nudge it or hold Shift while nudging for larger, precise moves. You can also check the X and Y values in the right sidebar to match positions across frames. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Zoom to the area where you want the element before pasting so it appears in view, and make sure no other nested layer is unintentionally selected. If you're working with components, pasting instances preserves overrides, which is perfect for maintaining design consistency across screens. That's it. Open Figma, open your page, select the element, copy it, move to the other frame, and paste. Simple, fast, and reliable for maintaining consistent layouts as you build out your designs.